Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the phone down and removing the two pentalobe screws. This preserves the display seal and prevents shorting. Next, apply a suction cup near the home button, lift gently about 1/8 of an inch, and slide a plastic pick around the lower edge to separate the adhesive. Once done, hinge the display up from the left like a book and secure it. Make sure to wear an ESD strap and keep every screw organized so you can reverse the process accurately. With the display open, disconnect the battery immediately to prevent accidental power flow. Then remove the small metal brackets and unscrew screws holding the display and home button connectors. These vary by model, so keep them ordered. Use a spudger to lift each connector straight up. Don't pry sideways. Apply gentle heat to the lower bezel to soften adhesive, and then remove the screws and brackets securing the home button assembly. You work slowly because the Touch ID cable is thin, and once cut, pairing problems arise. The final step is to transfer the original home button and its flex cable back into place because the Touch ID sensor is cryptographically paired to the phone's logic board. Aftermarket buttons will not enable fingerprint unlock. Seat the button and bracket, replace screws in the exact reverse order, reconnect the display, and then the battery. Close the screen and reinstall the pentalobe screws. If Touch ID doesn't register, disconnect, reseat the connector. Inspect for torn flex, and if still failing, you may need Apple service since pairing cannot be reestablished independently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.